My name is Gabriele, and today I'm going to present you my lab automation project. Nowadays, air cleaning systems are a key element that must be discussed and improved in order to guarantee a safe and healthy working environment. The objective of this project was to develop a program able to manage, debug, and measure an entire cleaning installation. This installation is simulated in a laboratory by the UMTech researchers. The installation is composed by two main sections, the flow control and the cleaning system sections. These two parts must be able to work either alone or together in the system. The result of this work is that, with a simple Python code, the whole cleaning installation can not only be entirely managed from PC, but it also has the possibility to run the system in an automated way, without the need of any human operator.